In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Strava segment quickly and easily. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just getting started, creating segments on Strava is a fantastic way to track your performance and compete with others on specific routes. Let's dive in and take you through this step-by-step guide. First things first, you'll want to open Strava on your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, like Google Chrome or Safari. Just ensure you're logged into your Strava account. Once you're in, it's time to find the activity that contains the route you'd like to create a segment from. This could be a recent bike ride, run, or any tracked activity with a route you're particularly proud of and want to highlight. Once you've found your desired activity, you're going to open it. You'll typically see a detailed view including the route map, pace, distance, and various insights about the activity. Now, cast your attention over to the left side of the screen. There you'll notice three small dots, which are a common icon used for more options. Give that a tap or a click depending on your device. Next up, look for the option that says Create Segment located right below your activity map. Click on it and this action will open a new interface specifically for segment creation. This is where you get to tailor make your segment according to the part of the route you're interested in. You'll see two movable markers on your route map. These are your start and end point markers. Carefully drag these markers to pinpoint the exact part of your route you want to turn into a segment. It might be helpful to choose a section you know well, or a part where you want to track your performance improvements over time. Once you're happy with the selected segment, take a moment to double check its start and end points to ensure accuracy. When you're ready, hit the next button. You're almost done. Now comes the fun part, naming your segment. Be creative yet clear. Remember, this name will be how you and others will refer to this particular segment on Strava. Once you've chosen a suitable name that captures the essence of your segment, go ahead and tap or click save. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully created a segment on Strava. This new segment can now be a part of your training regimen, as well as a way to compete with friends or other athletes in your area. Whether you're striving for a personal best or just love the element of gamification it brings, segments are an excellent tool for any athlete. Thank you for watching and happy segment hunting.